come from a family where the radio was always playing and there was never a moment of silence in the house. And my parents made me take piano lessons from a young age, but I didn't really connect with the instrument more because I played the UNISA curriculum, which I didn't really gel with. And my parents saw that. My parents noticed that, but my dad bought himself a bass guitar, which he never played. So then they took me to get bass guitar lessons, and my bass teacher, he allowed me to play the stuff that I actually liked, and that was when I started getting into punk rock. So he allowed me to learn punk songs, and that's how I fell in love with playing bass and with punk rock, and today now rock and metal and punk in general.